Hi traders, in today's video I'm going to talk about if it is possible to trade on a mobile device when you are just traveling or you are a wild man like I am, and if it is possible to trade solely on a mobile and in a way that you never even use a computer. And I actually take this challenge and I will trade only on my mobile phone that is not the fastest, not the smartest, but it works, and MT4 can run on it. So this challenge will be interesting for the majority of the population of forex traders in the world who are using only a mobile phone that is not the smartest and maybe not the fastest, but I'm sure that they are using fastest phones that I use. So this series will be all about my live account that I started 8 weeks ago, and I talk about this account for a while now, and it is now at 38%. At one point it was at 48%, but then I made a video that it is too much, it's just too much growth, so of course the account went just to 38, because it is how nature works and it is how probability theory works. So for me it won't be too easy, and I think for most traders who are using only a mobile it is not too easy, because for example I am using analysis tools that are only for the computer, and I use optimizations and I use backtests of my manual strategies as well, and I always readapt them to the market changes, and I do all these things so I can adapt my strategies to the new market sentiments, and so it won't be too easy. And also the softwares that I use and that can recognize the most of the really complex price action patterns that I coded, now of course they are only for the computer too. So it will be another challenge beside the day trading challenge that I took, and beside the $100 live account, because now I will do the following challenge. I will use only $100 on a live account that is really small, and I will use day trading strategies most of the time. That is completely new to me, because I have never done day trading and I kind of hate it. So and now I add one more layer, that is I will only trade on a mobile. Now I don't know how much time it will last, because we will see how I can analyze the markets with only a slow mobile device, but I think it will be pretty interesting to see how it will affect the growth of this live account, because you have seen how it works when I am working on a computer and what kind of trades I take, and now you may see some difference because I can't use all my analysis tools. Of course, if you are using a robot that I am also planning to make one other $100 account or two and put EAs on them and see what works better on the road, if I trade manually without all my analysis tools, or if I place the robots to trade completely automated, and it will be kind of a race between them. and let's see if I win or my robots. I hope my robots, because why not? So and I coded them anyway. So it will be an interesting challenge, and it will be interesting from the perspective that traders who are only access a mobile and never had a laptop or a computer, if they are starting from a kind of a worse place than the traders who have all the tools, because it is not necessarily the case. If you are smart enough and you are emotionally balanced enough, you can trade only on a phone with a pen and paper, calculate, you can even calculate all the equations of the indicators on a paper. So let's see. Ciao.